Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, October 31, 2023 on our channel. PHNIX unveils new heat pump Solution-HeatGreen series. Hecoclima partnership with YANMAR Energy System Europe GmbH. Carrier Transicold previews latest innovations at Solutrans. Viessmann actively pursues the systematic conversion and development of competencies. Virtual Peaker integrates with Sensi by Copeland. Envirotainer supports Canadian biopharmaceutical distribution. Danfoss and SK Inc sign mode to advance solutions for a sustainable future. Provisional agreement finalises negotiations on F-gases. HMI on a Sunswap Endurance. Heat pumps at IIR Congress. Gray and Adams to welcome an intake of apprentices. REHVA strengthens its EU policy advocacy efforts. Aira has raised 1 billion Swedish kronor from a group of climate and innovation-focused investors. REHVA award to Tomáš Matuška. Andreas leads the Benelux A-gas rapid recovery team. Aira opens survey on professional registration. Constellation Cold Logistics appoints Thomas Hughes as Ireland Managing Director and rebranding of Irish entities. Carrier's product portfolio at UK Customer Conference. Petit Forestier tackling skills shortage head-on. Lennox acquires ICE to expand commercial HVAC services. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. PHNIX unveils new heat pump Solution-HeatGreen series. PHNIX, a leading provider of energy-efficient solutions, has introduced its latest innovation, the HeatGreen series commercial heat pump. This cutting-edge product not only meets the growing demand for energy-saving solutions but also aligns with the global trend towards sustainable development and low-carbon emission policies. One of the key features that sets the HeatGreen series commercial heat pump apart is its use of R290 refrigerant, a highly efficient and environmentally friendly alternative. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Hecoclima partnership with YANMAR Energy System Europe GmbH. Hecoclima to announce that we have entered into a partnership with YANMAR Energy System Europe GmbH, a reliable supplier of cooling, air conditioning and ventilation solutions in Germany and Europe. Thanks to this partnership, Hecoclima will develop and produce innovative heat pumps with natural refrigerants for YANMAR Energy System Europe. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Carrier Transicold previews latest innovations at Solutrans. Carrier Transicold previews a selection of its latest innovations to further support its customers' energy transition and decarbonization plans ahead of the Solutrans biennial trade show for road and urban transport professionals. Among the new products presented at the show, Carrier Transicold will announce the certification of part of its vector and super refrigeration unit ranges for the use of B100 FAME biofuel in compliance with standard EN 14214. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Viessmann actively pursues the systematic conversion and development of competencies. Geopolitical crises and the resulting acceleration of the energy transition and digital transformation come along with huge challenges for companies and trades in Germany. Since earlier this year, Viessmann Climate Solutions has been engaging against the shortage of skilled workers and structural change with major skilling efforts. A readjustment of jobs and skill requirements is helping to ensure the company's future. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Virtual Peaker integrates with Sensi by Copeland. Virtual Peaker, a cloud-based SaaS company that empowers modern utilities with the friendliest distributed energy platform on the planet, today announced its integration with Sensi Smart Thermostats by Copeland. Sensi Smart Thermostat users will now be able to participate in utility demand response programs and earn incentives in exchange for reducing energy usage during peak demand with a utility. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Envirotainer supports Canadian biopharmaceutical distribution. Envirotainer, the specialist in temperature-sensitive pharmaceutical shipments, has invested in 2 key upgrades in Canada. These improvements support the rapidly expanding biopharmaceutical market in the country, strengthening secure pharmaceutical transportation in Canada and beyond. The company's Montreal station, YUL, is now fully equipped to handle its relay containers. Read more the news on our website today. 7th News Today. Danfoss and SK Inc. sign MO to advance solutions for a sustainable future. Danfoss announced that it has signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, with SK Inc., a holding and investing company of SK Group, which is the second largest conglomerate in Korea. Their main business areas are advanced materials, green, digital, and biosolutions. With the signing of the MO, the two companies will work together to advance technology and solutions that address 5 global megatrends affecting the world today: climate change, urbanization, digitization, electrification, as well as food and water supply. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Provisional agreement finalizes negotiations on F-gases. This provisional agreement finalizes negotiations on fluorinated greenhouse gases, F-gases, and confirms an informal agreement reached in June on ozone-depleting substances, ODSs. While existing EU legislation has already limited the use of F-gases significantly, the new rules would further reduce their emission into the atmosphere and contribute to limiting the global temperature increase, in line with the Paris Agreement. Read more the news on our website today. 9th News Today. HMI on a Sunswap Endurance. Incorporating a touchscreen HMI, human-machine interface, to manage Sunswap's solar and battery-powered transport refrigeration unit provides a number of benefits, adding to Endurance's status as a truly unique piece of technology. From the interface design to the water-resistant surface, as well as the software and hardware behind the screen, the HMI on a Sunswap Endurance makes a driver's life easier. Read more the news on our website today. 10th News Today. Heat pumps at IIR Congress. No fewer than 115 papers presented at the IIR International Congress of Refrigeration in August 2023 in Paris were devoted to heat pumps. This means that for the first time in an IIR Congress, this theme, attached to IIR Commission D2 heat pumps, was the dominant theme compared to all the other areas covered by the 10 IIR commissions. This figure also reflects the vigor of research and development work currently being carried out in a context where, according to the IEA, the number of heat pumps installed worldwide is expected to increase from 180 million in 2020 to around 600 million in 2030, in order to achieve the goal of net zero emissions by 2050. Read more the news on our website today. 11th News Today. Gray and Amp, Adams to welcome an intake of apprentices. Gray and Amp, Adams is proud to welcome an intake of apprentices each year. The 2023 intake will gain hands-on experience, developing their skills within a working environment at the Fraserburgh HQ, as well as achieving an industry-recognized qualification from the North East Scotland College. The combination of on-site learning and college-based learning, along with supportive mentoring from people of all levels across the business, is a massive benefit for apprentices. Read more the news on our website today. 12th News Today. REHVA strengthens its EU policy advocacy efforts. During autumn 2023, REHVA makes a significant evolutionary step in its engagement and influence of the EU-level decision-making processes, in its continued commitment to ensure the voice of building professionals is not only heard but also acted upon in crucial EU legislative processes. At the recent REHVA Member Association plenary meeting, the decision was made to establish an ENQUAT, EU Policy Advocacy ENQUAT, group. Read more the news on our website today. 13th News Today. Aira has raised 1 billion Swedish kronor from a group of climate and innovation-focused investors. Swedish-based clean energy tech company, Aira, has raised 1 billion Swedish kronor from a group of climate and innovation-focused investors to support its mission to take Europe off gas and accelerate the pathway to energy sovereignty. The new capital will finance the expansion of Aira's pan-European, fully vertically integrated platform and customer offering. Read more the news on our website today. News Today. REHVA Award to Tomáš Matuška. On October 18 to 19, the 25th Air Conditioning and Ventilation Conference 2023 took place in Prague, Czech Republic. During the evening gala of the national event, Lada Henson Sentnerova, Vice President, REHVA, Karl Kabil, President, Society of Environmental Engineering, and Milos Lane, Conference Director, handed over a REHVA award to Tomáš Matuška. Tomáš Matuška works in the Institute of Environmental Technology in the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, at the University in Prague, Czech Technical. Read more the news on our website today. News today. Lucy Andreas leads the Benelux A-Gas Rapid Recovery Team. Lucy Andreas has been appointed as head of A-Gas Rapid Recovery in the Benelux countries. She leads a team recovering refrigerants on behalf of customers in the refrigeration and HVAC industries in the Benelux region. Lucy has experience of working in industries involving the recovery and recycling of waste materials. She said, "The importance of looking for sustainable solutions in the HVAC industry has never been greater." Read more the news on our website today. News today. Aira opens survey on professional registration. Aira has opened a survey to assess how HVAC and AMP, our building services engineers around the country, are being impacted by the introduction of professional registration schemes. In particular, the peak industry body hopes to gauge the degree to which the qualifications requirements of the schemes are locking out highly experienced and knowledgeable practitioners. Read more the news on our website today. News today. Constellation Cold Logistics appoints Thomas Hughes as Ireland Managing Director and rebranding of Irish entities. Constellation Cold Logistics announces the appointment of Thomas Hughes as Managing Director for Constellation Ireland. The announcement follows the recent acquisition of VF Cold Stores Limited in Dublin and Colso Cold Storage Limited in Cork, which completed on October 20, 2023. Formerly Managing Director Ireland for Americold, Thomas brings 25 years of industry experience and has a strong track record in the Irish market. Read more the news on our website today. News today. Carrier's product portfolio at UK Customer Conference. Carrier recently welcomed UK commercial HVAC customers to its annual conference held at Wembley Stadium to learn more about its sustainable solutions and how Carrier is innovating to address the planet's most urgent challenges while meeting the needs of customers and supporting communities. Carrier presented solutions aligned with customers' sustainability goals, energy needs, cost pressures, changing business requirements, comfort needs, and health concerns. Read more the news on our website today. News today. Petit Forestier tackling skills shortage head-on. A new batch of students have embarked on one of the UK's only transport refrigeration engineering apprenticeship programs to kickstart their careers in the cold chain industry with Petit Forestier. For the last 10 years, over 100 young people have come through official learning programs to join the Petit Forestier team. These programs started off life as multi-skilled engineering courses as a solution to the shortfall in skilled staff the company was facing, incorporating truck mechanics and refrigeration. Read more the news on our website today. News today. Lennox acquires ICE to expand commercial HVAC services. Lennox, a leader in energy-efficient climate control solutions, announced it has completed the acquisition of ICE, a company dedicated to service and sustainability in the light commercial market. Lennox Commercial Business Segment HVAC Lifecycle Capabilities with ICE acquisition. Across North America, ICE provides installation services, adapter curbs, and reclaim services. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.